The tapir, a creature so elusive and enigmatic that it has captivated the imagination of naturalists for centuries, is a living embodiment of the ancient forests it calls home. With its distinctive snout and armor-plated hide evolving over millions of years to thrive in some of the most remote and inhospitable habitats on Earth. As a keystone species, the tapir plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem, dispersing seeds and creating pathways that allow other creatures to flourish in the dense undergrowth. As we venture into the shadowy realm of this mystical creature, let us follow the faint trail of hoofprints and crushed leaves that beckon us deeper into the heart of the tapir's secret world. The tapir's distinctive snout, for instance, is a remarkable example of evolutionary ingenuity. This flexible proboscis is not just a curious feature, it's a highly specialized tool that allows the tapir to pluck leaves and fruits from the dense undergrowth with precision. My encounters with wildlife in the tropical forests of Central and South America have shown me firsthand how this snout can be used to gather food in the most inaccessible places, making the tapir an exemplary browser in its ecosystem. In terms of biological classification, the tapir belongs to the family Tapiridae and is one of 4 living species: the South American tapir, the Malayan tapir, the Baird's tapir, and the mountain tapir. Each species has evolved distinct adaptations to thrive in its respective habitat, ranging from the lush rainforests of the Amazon to the cloud forests of the Andes. The tapir's armor-plated hide, composed of tough, keratinized skin, provides protection against predators, while its robust body and powerful legs enable it to move through dense vegetation with ease. The evolutionary history of the tapir is a long and complex one, with fossil records indicating that these creatures have remained largely unchanged for millions of years. The first scientific documentation of the tapir can be attributed to early naturalists who ventured into the New World, bringing back tales of this mysterious creature. Over time, key researchers such as Charles Darwin and contemporary biologists have contributed significantly to our understanding of tapir biology and ecology. One significant research finding that has shed light on tapir behavior is their role in seed dispersal. Studies have shown that tapirs are important seed dispersers in their ecosystems, with some species relying almost exclusively on these animals to spread their seeds. This symbiotic relationship not only benefits the plants, but also ensures the tapirs access to a varied diet. In the field, I've observed how tapirs create pathways through dense undergrowth, allowing other creatures like peccaries and birds to follow in their footsteps, highlighting the intricate web of ecological relationships within these ecosystems. The tapir's habitat niches are as varied as they are specific, with each species adapting to its unique environment. However, their dependence on large tracts of undisturbed habitat makes them vulnerable to environmental challenges such as deforestation and fragmentation. Human interactions, whether through hunting or accidental encounters, also pose significant threats to tapir populations. Despite these challenges, there is hope for the conservation of tapir species. Ongoing research into their behavior, ecology, and population dynamics is providing valuable insights for conservation efforts. For example, studies on tapir migration patterns and habitat use are informing the design of protected areas and corridors that can help maintain healthy, connected populations. Yet, much remains to be discovered about these elusive creatures, and ongoing mysteries surrounding their social behavior, mating habits, and long-term population trends continue to intrigue scientists and naturalists alike. Tapirs use a variety of vocalizations, including high-pitched squeaks and grunts, to convey information about potential threats, food sources, and even social interactions. One remarkable example of tapir communication is their use of scent marking. These animals have specialized scent glands located near their cheeks, which they use to deposit pheromones on plants and other objects in their environment. This form of chemical communication allows tapirs to convey information about their identity, sex, and reproductive status, playing a crucial role in their social behavior and mating habits. The tapir's unique adaptations have also led to fascinating symbiotic relationships within its ecosystem. For instance, the tapir's digestive system is home to a diverse community of microbes, which play a vital role in breaking down the tough plant material that makes up its diet. This mutualistic relationship allows the tapir to extract nutrients from its food more efficiently, while also providing a habitat for these microorganisms. In terms of predator-prey dynamics, tapirs have evolved a range of strategies to avoid predators, such as jaguars, pumas, and anacondas. Their armor-plated hide provides protection against smaller predators, while their keen sense of smell and hearing allow them to detect potential threats from a distance. In addition, tapirs are skilled swimmers and will often seek refuge in water when threatened, highlighting their remarkable adaptability in the face of danger. Through their seed dispersal activities, they help to promote the growth of new plant species, while their digging and rooting behaviors create pathways for other animals to follow. This intricate web of ecological relationships underscores the importance of preserving tapir habitats and protecting these remarkable creatures from the threats they face. The conservation status of tapirs is a pressing concern, with all 4 species listed on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss, fragmentation, and hunting. The destruction of their habitats has not only reduced the availability of food and shelter for tapirs, but also increased their vulnerability to predators and human interactions. Efforts to protect tapir habitats and reduce human-tapir conflict are underway, including the establishment of protected areas and education programs aimed at promoting coexistence with these remarkable creatures. Through their unique adaptations, intricate social dynamics, and symbiotic relationships, tapirs remind us of the profound interconnectedness of life on Earth. They teach us about the importance of preserving biodiversity, respecting the integrity of natural habitats, and recognizing the intrinsic value of every species, no matter how elusive or misunderstood. And so, we're compelled to ask, what other secrets lie hidden in the depths of our planet's most remote and mysterious landscapes, waiting to be uncovered and cherished? That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.